The front door to your home is one of the first things people notice. So having a strong, beautiful exterior door adds curb appeal and value to your home. When shopping for a new front door, the first thing to determine is whether you need a slab or a pre-hung door. Pre-hung doors include both the door and the door frame that supports the door. Slab doors are all you need if you're only replacing the door itself. But if your slab door is over 25 years old, it's best to go with a pre-hung door to ensure a sealed frame. Next, determine the door material that is right for you. Choose among wood, steel, and fiberglass. Wood doors are typically heavier and offer more traditional style. Steel doors feature energy-efficient foam core insulation and are very durable due to their tough construction. Fiberglass doors offer two surface types, a smooth surface and a textured surface to simulate wood grain. Some other factors to consider when shopping for a new door are energy efficiency and insulation, security, light control, and durability. Lastly, consider any options and accessories that interest you, such as doorknobs and handles, and lock sets. Also, transoms, side lights, and glass panels. For more detailed information about this and many other popular tools and products, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.